All right, what's up, vlog? This is the first video of the boil, even though it started about a little over 12 hours ago. It is 3:25 a.m. We're here with Elise. We got Jordan and we got Johnny down here, dying at the moment. But we're about to clean the coals, so stay tuned for that. Maybe we'll time lapse it for y'all. Look at all of that.
Hi vlog!
Hi!
This is our shift squad, Julia.
I'm
Tegan.
I'm Mitchell.
And we're here till 11 midnight and 1.
2:30 a.m. boil! Woo! We got the flames going. Look at that inferno! Oh my god!
It's boil vlog. What time is it?
It is 5:40 a.m.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling spectacular.
That's amazing. You've chopped so much wood.
Got a bunch of wood being chopped, fueling the boil. It's going great.
Makai, how are you doing in the boil vlog?
Doing great. Welcome back to Boil Vlog. We are out here. It is almost 6 a.m. We got myself, Abe, Nora, vibing. Abe's been chopping lots of wood. Nora and I have been tending the fire, checking the sap levels. We're out here.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Saturday, 10:30 a.m. We're at the boil. It's looking great right now. We got a lot of steam going on, lots of wood in the fires, as you can see. Woo! Our sap levels are doing great. We got preheating some of the sap because it's frozen. Gonna put it in the other preheater, boil the sap. Our fans are going. We got lots of batteries. Abe is chopping some wood over here. Look at that wood pile. We have so much wood because of Abe. He is the GOAT at chopping wood. Here we have the only person doing work at the moment. Let's go. Look at that pile of wood. Let's get a close-up of that. Wow. Yes!
What's up, boilers? Basically, I have this filter here, and we're gonna pour all of this sap into this filter, and it's gonna go into this preheating pan, so that it can preheat, and then we'll eventually pour it into the main pan, so it can boil. All right. So it seems as though the filter is completely frozen, so not much is coming out, but it'll change.
Hi, I'm Bree.
And I'm Julia.
And this is our first shot of the day.
I'm Bree,
And I'm Julia.
and this is our last shot of the boil.
All right, what's up, vlog? You know, it's 1:25 of the boil. We're here with Tegan, and we got Sophia over here chopping some wood. Yes. It's gonna break. Feel it. Right here. Maybe one more. Right here. This just has to break out here. Right here. Right here. Yes!